What is motion-based lighting automation?
Motion-based lighting automation uses sensors to detect movement and automatically turn lights on or off. This technology provides hands-free convenience and can help you save energy by only illuminating spaces when they're in use. It's especially helpful in areas like hallways, bathrooms, or entryways, where manual switching is often inconvenient.
Choosing the right motion sensor for your home.
There are different types of motion sensors, such as passive infrared, PIR, ultrasonic, and dual technology sensors. PIR sensors are most common for home use, detecting heat from moving bodies. Consider compatibility with your existing smart home system, detection range, and whether you want wireless or wired options. These factors determine how smoothly your automation will work.
Step-by-step installation process.
First, turn off the electricity to the light circuit for safety. Mount the motion sensor at a height and angle optimal for its coverage area. Connect the sensor to your home's lighting circuit as instructed in the manual. Once installed, restore power and test by walking through the room. Many smart sensors also pair wirelessly through a compatible app or hub.
Configuring and integrating with smart systems.
After installation, use your smartphone or smart home hub to configure sensor settings. You can customize sensitivity, time delay, and light level triggers. Many systems let you automate responses, such as turning on lights only at night. Integration with voice assistants or routines can further enhance convenience and control throughout your home.
Benefits and maintenance tips.
Automating lights with motion sensors saves energy, reduces utility bills, and adds convenience by ensuring lights turn on when needed and off when not. To keep things running smoothly, periodically clean sensor lenses, check batteries for wireless models, and review settings to fit seasonal changes or room usage. This ensures optimal performance and ongoing savings.